Now, Matthew Newbury was just 15 when he lost his leg after a motorbike accident. Now, at the age of 30 and a successful businessman, he's been able to take advantage of a scientific breakthrough and has been fitted with a revolutionary bionic leg. He's the first British amputee to trial the technology and quite simply says it's changed his life. Aisha Baksh has the story.
Just ring up and find out what the Wi-Fi code is.
He's already a successful businessman and now looks to be more of a success on his feet. Matthew Newbury lost his leg as a teenager after a motorbike accident. He was awarded millions of pounds in compensation and so started up his own business. He's now a multi-millionaire with a sense of humour.
People either love it or they hate it, and I think it's quite funny. So I used to have it on a Porsche and I've had it on a couple of other cars in the middle, and I just thought I'd better stick it on there now. Really. Everybody knows it's my car.
But as an amputee, he's struggled for many years to get the right prosthetic leg. Until this week, after many trials, he was fitted with this. It's not necessarily the first bionic leg on the market, but it appears to be closer to the real thing than ever.
It's microprocessor controlled and it's got gyroscopes and load sensors in it. So effectively what it does is communicate inside itself with regards to how much load you've got on the toe and how much load you've got on the heel and how fast you're walking or whether you're going up and down stairs. It knows all of that and adjusts accordingly.
However, such life-changing technology doesn't come cheap. The leg with aftercare cost Matthew £50,000, but it was worth every penny.
I don't have to think about every step, and that's why I'm not tired in the evenings, because when you're thinking about every single step, can you imagine your mind is working to run a business or, several businesses, and then in the next bit of your mind is running around kind of working out how you're not going to fall over it. It's very tiring stuff.
Well, this leg should last Matthew up to 6 years, but it's likely to be some time before this technology is available to other amputees on the NHS. Aisha Baksh, BBC London News.